If you want to add products on your GoDaddy website, I'm going to show you the simplest way to do it step by step. This is a really useful tutorial if you're building an online store, updating your product list, or making changes to what customers see on your site. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your store updates correctly. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to My Products. This is where all of your GoDaddy services are listed, including your website and store tools. Once you're inside My Products, look for Website and find the website you want to edit. When you see it, click Manage. This takes you into the main dashboard for that website. After the new page opens, look at the left panel. This is where GoDaddy keeps the main menu for your website tools. Find the Store section in that menu and click Products. This is the area where you can manage everything related to the items in your online store. Now, you'll see a list of all the products connected to your store. From here, you can add new items, edit existing products, or remove items you no longer want to sell. If you're adding a new product, you can enter the product details, upload images, set your price, and make sure everything looks correct before saving. If you're editing something that already exists, just open the product and make your changes. Take a moment to review your product list carefully. This is important because the products here are what customers will see when they visit your store. You want to make sure the names, photos, prices, and the descriptions all match what you want displayed. Once you're done making your product changes, go back and edit your website to see the updates in the store section. This is the final step, and it helps you confirm that your products are showing properly on the live site or in your website editor. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to the product section and adjust it again. And that's it. You now know how to add products on your GoDaddy website and where to manage them anytime you need to make changes. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more GoDaddy walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.